With CoSchedule's integration with ActiveCampaign, you will be able to sync your scheduled email campaigns in ActiveCampaign over to CoSchedule, giving you the added visibility of your scheduled email campaigns right in your calendar. Once you have connected your ActiveCampaign account to CoSchedule, your scheduled email campaigns in ActiveCampaign will sync over to CoSchedule and appear as email marketing content on the correct scheduled dates on your calendar. Once you see your email campaigns, you may select them, and in here, you can add many of CoSchedule's options like a description, tags, custom color label, content owner. You may also work with tasks, discussions, and even add a social campaign. However, to change any details that were originally set up in ActiveCampaign, for example, the subject line, the scheduled date or time, or to delete the email campaign, you must go into ActiveCampaign to do this. As you can see, you will be warned of this when you hover over the options you cannot change in CoSchedule. You are able to easily jump into your ActiveCampaign account by selecting the ActiveCampaign link in the warning messages, or by selecting the Edit in ActiveCampaign option. If you are not logged into your ActiveCampaign account, you will be prompted to do so. And you can make any changes needed in here. Back in CoSchedule, the changes won't take long to sync over from ActiveCampaign. However, you can choose to sync now at any time. You can see my subject line has updated now. In CoSchedule, subject lines will sync over and automatically be scored by the email subject line tester. Even though you cannot update the subject line in CoSchedule, you can expand the details and click here to go outside of your calendar and get a full analysis. And you may also experiment with other subject lines. Out in the calendar view, you are not able to drag and drop your ActiveCampaign emails to a different date. Again, because changes to the scheduled date or time need to be done in ActiveCampaign. However, you are able to differentiate your ActiveCampaign content from other projects on your calendar by looking for the ActiveCampaign logo. If you hover over the logo here, it will change to allow you to click into your ActiveCampaign account to make changes there quickly. And that is how you can use CoSchedule with ActiveCampaign.